Hi, I'm Dan Rosenau. I'm the restoration manager for the Speedway Museum. Talking about our current project here in the shop. This is a 96 Reynard. It was Greg Moore's rookie car in the 96 season. As you can see, the car is in kind of old Target lightning bolt livery. We're stripping the car down, repainting it into 1996 players livery. There is some evidence that we found as we're looking at the car. You can actually see some of the painters lines underneath of the player's paint job, so it's going to make it a little bit easier for figuring out how to lay out the stripes on this car. But this is one of the cars we acquired recently, and we're going to get it back to its original livery and be a good tribute for Greg Moore, who was, as most of you know, was killed in a crash in Montana in 1999. It's kind of a special project for me. I worked at Players. It was my first job at Indy when I moved down here. It wasn't until the winter of 97, 98, so it was after this car ran, but I worked on his car as a front-end mechanic for the first 2 years I was a Player. It'll be 98, 99 season. So it's got kind of an emotional attraction or attachment to me as well. It was a very memorable part of my career working on that car and winning quite a few races with the team. So the process here, this car has been a show car, and so we're going to try and get it back into a running car. It may be a very long project. It was missing a lot of pieces. We'll try to acquire those pieces over time. For the time being, we're prepping and going through all the parts we have on hand right now, and with the assumption that we're going to find the rest of the pieces over time and be able to put together the complete car. So all the suspension and bodywork has been taken apart. The car didn't have an engine when it came to us, so we'll work to acquire there'll be no more Mercedes motor. We're working on acquiring one of those. All the suspensions over here on the car has been stripped down. It's going to go for crack check and then recoated with what's called PFOS, which is a phosphate coating that most of the race cars have on their suspension nowadays.